Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you all?
Fine, thank
Okay.
Fine, thank you,
Good
ma'am.
So,
afternoon, ma'am.
children, yes, good afternoon. Going to start with properties again. And I want somebody to say all the properties faster. Who can say all the yes, Agnay, please unmute and speak.
Identity property,
Identity property,
zero property,
zero property,
commutative property,
commutative property,
associative property,
associative,
distributive property.
distributive property. So we have 5 properties we have discussed. So children, I told you to how we can remember identity means all the children you have your own identity. That means you are not going to change. Okay. All of you have your own identity. Yes. All of you have name. That means if I say Adinath means only Adinath, not other person is Adinath. So identity property, when you multiply it with 1, you are not going to change. You are the same number itself. If I'm multiplying 500 with 1, 500 will not change. 500 is keeping its identity. So multiplied by 1, what do you get the answer as 500? And this one is called multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity. Because in multiplication, when you multiply with 1, the number is the same. Okay, so that is the first one. First one, that is multiplicative identity. So we can say identity property. Second one, zero property. Here zero becomes more powerful. It will not allow anyone to keep its identity. Even crore comes and fight with zero. Zero will make that crore also reduce to zero. So any number multiplied with zero, like lakh into zero, what's the answer? Zero.
Zero.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now comes a commutative property. Commutative property, that day what we say flip-flop, change order. 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. That property is called commutative. Commutative. Okay. Now what about this associative? I told you here comes the groups. Here we have not 2 numbers, at least 3 numbers. We are taking 3 numbers. So for example, 3 into 4 into 5. First, we will keep 3 outside, 4 and 5 in one group. So we will represent that group as brackets. Inside the bracket, 2 numbers. Okay. So when you multiply it, it will be same as 3 into 4 in one group and 5 outside. So that means change the group. If you change the group, I told you in the last class, sometimes you will be having groups or gang. You will be close to one person. After some time, you will leave that person and make group with another. So here also, when you change the group, the number or the product, the answer will be same. So that is called associative. Associative. Now one more property is that. Which property is left now?
Distributive.
Distributive. Distribute means you can, it's easy, you know, I told you like you can distribute for your birthday and all, you can distribute. Like that you can remember. Okay, if I write 100 plus 5 in one bracket, plus, here comes the operation plus. Here we have 2 operation multiply and addition. So if you write 5 outside and inside 10 plus 2, 10 plus 2, this we have to multiply 5 with 10 and 2. 5 into 10 plus 5 into 2. Understood distributive property? Okay. Now I'm going to teach one more thing. One more thing. After that only we will do that workbook questions. All the children please pay attention.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you didn't show that video properly.
Video. It is there in my, you can see later, okay? It is there, but I didn't load here because I don't want to waste the time. That's why usually I used to save it in the desktop, okay? I will show that later. Okay, so I will show that later. So children, one more thing we have to learn now, if an x digit number, that means, for example, I'm taking 10. All of you, please remember, I'm taking 2-digit number. 2-digit number, that is 10. For example, I'm taking small numbers. And if you multiply with y-digit number, means I'm taking 10 into 9. 9 is how many digit? 9 is 1-digit number. So in their product, the product is not more than x plus y digit. Children, please pay attention. I will show you with example. So if one digit is there with x digit, another number is there with y digit. If an x digit number is multiplied by a y digit number, then their product is not more than x plus y digit. Their product, that answer, will not be more than x plus y digit. So for example, if I write one 2-digit number, this is 2-digit number. For example, because I'm using small digits so that you can identify one digit here. I'm multiplying 22, 2-digit number. I'm going to multiply with 1 digit. For example, 4. You know how to multiply. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. So in their product, we have how many digit? 2 digit. In that product, we have how many digit? 2 digit. Here they are saying, if a number is x digit and another number is y digit, their product will not be more than x plus y. Here it's 2 digit. In the second number, only 1 digit. So it can be 3 or less than 3. Here how many? 2 digits. Sometimes it will be 3. Sometimes it will be less than 3, but it will not be more than 3 digit. It will not be more than 3 digit. We will do another example here. 2 digit and 1 digit. 2 plus 1, 3. It can be 3 or less than 3. Here only 2 digit. That means it is less than 3. Less than 3. So now I will take another example. All the children, please pay attention here. Okay, please pay attention. Now I'm taking, for example, easy question 25 times 4. Without multiplying, you know 25 into 4. What is 25 into 4? 100. Check 5 into 4. 20, 0. 2 is the carryover. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So now here, the number of digits in 25 is 2 digit. 2 digit. And in the second number, we have only 1 digit. And in the product answer, we have 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3 digit. 3 digit. 1, 2, 3 digit. So here they are. What is the property here? It's not a property. You have to just understand. If an x digit number is multiplied by a y digit number, then their product is not more than x plus y digit. Okay, we can do more examples, then you will understand. Their product will not be more than x plus y digit. Okay. Now, for example, I will take 3-digit number. 2, 2, 2. How many digits here, Ammu? How many digits are there in 222? 3 digits. Okay, 3 digits. And I'm going to multiply it with 5. Multiply with 5. Felix, how many digits are there in 5?
Yes, ma'am.
How many digits are in the second number? How many digits?
3 digits.
3 digit. 5. Only 5.
1 digit.
1 digit. Okay. In the second number, we have only 1 digit. Now, our this what we said in the product must have 3 plus 1. How much 3 plus 1? 4. It will not be more than 4. The answer will not be more than 4 digit number. Let us check. 5 into 2, 10. 5 twos are 10. Carry over here 1. Here 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. And here 1. 5 twos are 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, Anusri, tell me how many digits are in this answer? How many
4
digits?
digit.
4
4
digits.
digit.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is what we told. If an X digit number and Y digit number, then their product or the answer will be not more than X plus Y, 3 plus 1, 4 digit. Sometimes it can be 3 digit. For example, if I am multiplying 222 with 3, you know that is what's answer. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. And here also 6. So here how many digits, Manu? Manu, look at this answer. 666. How many digits in the answer? Connection problem. Ayman, can you please tell me? Ayman.
Yes, ma'am.
In the answer here, how
Ma'am,
many
that
digits are there?
ma'am 3.
3 digits. Okay, children. So here, 3 digit number multiplied with 1 digit number, you got the answer 3 digit itself. Here we have 3 digit number multiplied with 1 digit number, you got X plus Y, that is 4 digit number. So the property says that you will not get any 5 digit number as answer. Either it will be X plus Y or less than X plus Y. Okay, either it will be 4 digit or less than 4 digit. It will not be more than 4 digit. That is that property saying. Adinath, can you please unmute? Okay. If one 5 digit number multiplied with 1 digit number, can you tell me how many digits will be in their product? Not be more than 5 plus 1. It will not be more than 5 plus 1. How much?
6.
6. It will not be more than 6.
5 plus 1.
Okay. It will not be more than 6 digit. It can be less than that. Okay, Richard. Please unmute. Okay, if a 4 digit number, please children, please remember all these numbers. If a 4 digit number, okay, multiplied with a 2 digit number, can you guess how many digits will be in their answer? It will not be more than 4 plus 2. It will be more than
6 digit.
more than 6 digit. Okay, understood. So you have to count the number of digits. If a 2 digit number multiplied with a 2 digit number, who can say that answer? 2 digit and 2. Yes, Gautam.
Answer. 4 digit.
2 digit.
4 digit.
It will not be more than 4. We cannot say it will be exactly 4. It will not be more than. It will not be more than. Okay. So we will do 1 2 digit with 1 2 digit number, then we will see that. Okay. So here 1 2 digit number. Here 1 2 digit number. Okay. Praveen, can you please multiply and tell me? Here we have 2 digits. Here also 2 digits. Now we are going to check whether in the answer 2 plus 2 equal to 4 digits or less than 4 digits. Okay, Praveen, please unmute and help me to multiply. Praveen, Dia, please unmute. The network problem. Fia, please unmute. Fia.
Ma'am.
Okay, now who is going to tell me? Fia? Yes, Fia. Yes. Fia, start from the ones place. Yes, multiplication starts from ones place.
Ones
Okay, can you
place.
tell me 2 into 2?
4.
4. Again, 2 into 2?
4.
4. Okay, in the second sentence, how we will start? We will
With
start
0.
with
With
0.
0.
Okay. 1 into 2?
2.
2. Here also 1 into 2?
2.
2. So, now please add and tell me the answer.
264.
4 plus 0, start from back. 4 plus 0, 4.
4.
4 plus 2,
6.
6, 2.
And 2.
So I told it will not be more than 4 digits. But here in the answer, how much digits are there?
3 digit. 3
3
digit.
digits. So it can be less than that. Understood, children? It can be less than
Less than
4,
3,
but it
4.
will not be more than 4.
4.
Okay. So if a 2-digit number is multiplied with a 2-digit number in the product, it can be maximum 2 plus 2, 4 digits. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, please continue with your workbook questions. Which question? Question number? Question number 4.
Question
So before that, okay, question number 1. Question number 1. Felix, tell me which is the answer for question number 1. If for any 3 numbers A, B, C, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C, what is that property? Question number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1. What's the answer? Unmute and speak, Felix.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me which is the option? Question number 1. Option
B.
B. All of you got the answer? Option B. Okay, and
Associative property. Yes, ma'am.
for any number A into 1 is same as 1 into A. What is that property?
Multiplicative identity.
Option?
Option C.
Option C, multiplicative identity. Very good.
Identity.
Okay. Question number 3,
Thank you,
Daniel. Daniel. For any 3 numbers A, B, C, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Which property, Daniel? Please unmute and speak.
Distributive.
Distributive property. Option
B.
B.
Option B.
Option B. Okay.
Second one is option C, right?
Yes. Second one, option C.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
First one, option B.
Yes, option B. Okay, Nandita, please unmute and read question number 4.
Ma'am, fourth one.
Yes, fourth one.
Yes, ma'am.
When an x-digit number is
When an
multiplied by a y-digit number, the product will not be more than
2 digits.
Nandita is saying that. Nandita.
XY plus X plus Y. X plus Y.
Who is Nandita here? Who is Nandita? How many Nandita here? Nandita, can you tell me the answer?
X plus Y.
X plus y. What's the option?
Option A.
A. Option A. All of you got the answer? Option A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know, children, which place we will start our multiplication? Always start with the ones place. So next one, we have question number. Who is going to read question number? Madhav. Madhav, unmute and read question number 5.
Ma'am, the digit in the ones place of product of 1,100. 11,111 and 111 is.
You have to multiply the ones place. Which is the ones place?
Ma'am,
1.
Oh,
So
one.
1 into 1. 1 into 1. In the answer, what will come in the ones place? 1. Very good. Which option? Option
A.
A. Very good. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Option A. Okay. Question number 5. Option A. Anthony. Question number 6.
Ma'am.
Question number 6.
The digit in one's place would the digit in one place of the product of 22,222 and 22 is 4.
4. Because the both the digits 2 into 2. 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. Okay. So can you tell me the option? Option C. Option C.
Option
Okay. Option C. Okay. Now next one. Agni, read question number 7.
Ma'am, option 5, sorry ma'am, that question number 5, right?
Which one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, question number 5.
Question number 5 is option
Ma'am,
A.
it's,
Excuse me, ma'am.
okay ma'am.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Agni. Start.
The product
All
of
others,
the
please mute your and listen properly.
product of the largest two-digit number by itself has dash digits.
Product of the largest two-digit number by itself. Can you tell me what is the meaning of that question? Which is the largest two-digit number?
99.
Largest two-digit number is 99.
99.
And the product of largest two-digit number by itself means what?
99 into 99.
99 into same number itself. 99 into 99.
99.
It has how many digits? Can you find out the answer and tell me?
Ma'am,
All of you, please
And 4.
multiply.
4.
4. Okay,
Ma'am,
let
4
us check.
digits.
4 digits. Okay, we have to check.
Ma'am, 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2 is 4.
2
But
2 is 4.
2 plus 2 is 4. That's correct. But always we cannot say. We have to. The largest two-digit number is 99.
Excuse me,
And
ma'am.
find out the answer and tell me. All of you, please.
Ma'am,
Alone.
ma'am, 4
Yes.
Ma'am,
4 digit.
4 digit, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, 4 digit.
Ma'am, 9.
9.
981
9801.
Okay.
9,801.
So how many digits in the answer?
4.
4.
4 digits.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Product of the largest two-digit number by itself
Excuse
has
me, ma'am.
how many digits? 4 digits.
4 digits.
Write either in
Excuse me,
words,
ma'am.
FOUR, or you can write in number. Okay? Who is calling me?
Ma'am, I meant.
Who?
Ma'am, I meant.
Ayman. Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer of the fourth one and sixth one?
Ayman, I will send in the fourth. And
Fourth
who
one
can
and
help?
sixth one.
Who can help? Okay, Agnay, please read the answers from fourth.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
When the
All
next.
others, please wait.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ayman is going to read for, no, Agnay is going to read the answers for Ayman. Yes.
When the next digit number is
You can say only the answers because we have discussed already, you know. Question number 4. Yes.
Fourth one, option A.
Option A, X and Y. The product will have not more than X plus Y. X plus Y, the option is A. Okay, what about 5?
5.
Not
A.
fifth one.
A. Okay, what about 6?
4.
6. The answer is 4. So that is option C.
C.
C. Option C.
Seventh one.
Yes?
Seventh one, ma'am.
7th one.
Ma'am, can I?
4 digits.
4-digit number.
4 digits number. Okay.
4 digits.
Question number 8. Will you be able to do alone? Please check.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to use distributive property. Distributive property. Children, please check here. Okay. So here we have 3, 2, 1, 5 multiplied by 23. So children, we have to use distributive property. We have to
20,
break
ma'am.
this 23. How we can break 23?
20 plus 3.
20 plus 3. Very good. 3, 2, 1, 5 into, we have
Then-
to break this number.
Ma'am,
20
the answer is 20.
plus 3. 20 plus 3. So, the answer is 20. Okay. Which number is missing here? 20.
20.
20 into 3, 2, 1, 5
1, 6
yes.
plus 3 into
3 into
3, 2, 1, 5.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1, 5.
Okay. So here which property we have used?
Distributive property.
Okay. Distributive. It is not a disturbance. Is the distributive property is a disturbance?
No, ma'am.
No. Distributive.
Distributive.
Distributive. Okay. So here how we are doing? We are breaking the number 23 into two numbers, 20 plus 3 and multiplying. When you open the bracket, you have to multiply with two numbers. Okay. The digit in the ones place of the product. 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? What is 5 into 3?
15.
15. Which number is there in the 8th answer is 20. 20. Okay, who can tell me the answer? Isha?
5.
Which answer? 5 into 3 is 15. So which number is there in the ones place? 5. Okay, so we are not going to do 10th question. We are going to finish only till 9.
We can write in words.
Okay, ma'am.
We can write in words.
Which one? Question number
9.
9 you can write in number.
Okay,
Multiplying with 5 into 3 is 15. Usually how we will write in, when we write the product, we will use numbers. Yes? So better to write numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Numbers. Okay, children. So what you have to do? Revise the multiplication tables and revise these 5 properties. These 5
Ma'am.
very important for all.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Christo.
What is the answer of 8 question?
Question number 8.
Yes.
2. 20. 20. 20. 20.
20.
I will send the notes in the WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. Bye. Thank you. Yeah, I have sent the notes of addition and
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
addition problem and 2 subtraction. Only two questions.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
We are doing more questions in the workbook. So in the notes, I have sent only 2 addition problem and 2 subtraction problem. You can complete by Monday. Okay, your children?
Okay, ma'am.
Please.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you in the next class. Bye.